Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Discord voice chat into OBS Studio. A super useful trick if you want your streams or recordings to capture conversation from your Discord channel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate Discord audio into your scene, making your broadcast way more interactive and lively. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have Discord open and running on your computer. This is such an important step because OBS needs to access the application to grab its audio. It's best to join the voice channel you want to record before you set anything up in OBS. If you haven't already, just pop into the Discord channel you want people to hear on your stream. Think of Discord as one of your guests at a party. If they're not in the room, they can't be heard. Next, head over to OBS Studio. Open up your project and navigate to the specific scene where you want the Discord voice chat audio to appear. It could be your main streaming scene or a separate one just for chatting. The process is the same. It helps to be on the right scene so all your sources stay organized and you don't have to backtrack and redo things later. Now, let's add Discord as an audio source. In OBS, look down to the Sources dock. You'll see a little plus icon at the bottom. Click that, and from the list that pops up, choose Application Audio Capture. This is how OBS knows you only want to pull sound from one app, in this case, Discord, rather than everything happening on your computer. This is handy because it keeps your stream clean, without any random notification sounds or background music you don't want to share. When the Properties window opens, OBS will ask you to name your new audio source. Give it a clear name like Discord or anything that makes sense to you. Naming it properly helps you keep track of your sources, especially if you're juggling a lot of audio inputs, like gameplay, music, or separate microphones. Once you're happy, click OK to move on. Here's a crucial detail. In the next Properties window, look for the Window drop-down menu. This is where you'll select Discord from the list of running applications. If you don't see Discord, double-check that it's open and active. Sometimes, if there isn't any audio going through Discord, like if nobody is talking, it might not show up at first. Try having someone chat in your channel, or unmute your own mic for a second. If you're still not seeing it, you can always restart Discord or OBS and try again. Don't worry, this little hiccup is common and usually easy to fix. Once you've got Discord selected, click OK. You should now see a new volume slider for Discord audio in your OBS mixer. This is awesome because it means you can control your voice chat separately from other sounds, like your game or background music. Maybe you want the Discord audio nice and loud so your viewers can follow the conversation. Or maybe you want it a bit softer so your own voice stands out. You're fully in control here. And that's it. You've just added Discord voice chat to OBS Studio. Remember, this system works great for group streams, collaborative projects, or just chatting with friends while broadcasting. If at any point you want to adjust the mix, you can do it right in OBS. No need to fiddle with settings in Discord. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video. It really helps. Drop any questions in the comments below if you run into trouble, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Happy streaming, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.